Hello, my name is Jinshan Chen, or you can call me Ray, and I have been chosen to present a 2-hour workshop at the 2024 NGH Convention, an educational conference, August 9 to 11, in Marlborough, Massachusetts. On Friday, August 9th, at 9 a.m., I hope to see you at my workshop titled Unveiling the Hidden Power of Consciousness Healing. This workshop will assist you embark on a transformative journey into the depths of your mind. Join us for a captivating exploration of Seth teaches hypnosis. A 2-hour deep dive into the world of consciousness and self-healing. Unlock the secrets of hypnosis with Seth, the enigmatic energy personality channeled by Jen Roberts. In this dynamic and enlightening workshop, we will uncover the profound influence of hypnosis on your beliefs, your health, and your very reality. Discover how hypnosis, according to Seth, is not just a tool but the very core of consciousness healing. It's the key that can unlock the door to a life of profound self-discovery, personal transformation, and well-being. The class will lead you out maze of dilemmas between beliefs, wants, and focus, especially for body disease. You will identify clients' predicaments as coming from their beliefs and unwanted focus. You would know there are no medical or psychological issues, but alteration of beliefs. You would amazed that you have a panacea in your hypnosis toolbox. Join us for an unforgettable journey into the extraordinary world of hypnosis, as revealed by Seth. Don't miss your chance to tap into your inner potential and unlock the core of consciousness healing. It's time to take control of your beliefs, your health, and your destiny. Join us at the NGH Convention in August. It's a valuable opportunity for you to continue to learn as a hypnotist. The number of presentations gives every hypnotist the opportunity to take classes that fit your needs and learning desires. I hope to see you at this year's NGH Convention.